Sometimes we get ourselves into places that are feeling confined or we feel blocked. And it's really good to know that there are meditations that exactly know the path that can take us out of that block. And today I'm exploring with you a meditation that does exactly that. In fact, it's the one I'm using right now. And so I welcome you to come into your Kundalini Yoga practice with me. Take a seat on a mat, take a seat on a chair or the sofa or your bed, wherever feels comfortable to you. Get your props and your blocks ready because this meditation is about clearing out anything that might have trapped you from the past or even in the present moment. It's meant to free up the future. It's called Ganpati meditation. Ganpati is another word for Ganesha, another name for Ganesha. And Ganesha in the Hindu mythology and Hindu religion is the remover of obstacles, often depicted with a little mouse scurrying around at Ganesha's feet. And that little mouse represents the ability to move through obstacles. And so that's what we're focusing on, just to offer some symbolism here into the meditation. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you found your way here, it's because Kundalini Yoga is calling you. It's because Kundalini Yoga is a therapeutic form of yoga meant to evolve our consciousness, meant to make us more alert and aware. And that is resolving the pain of the past. And so let's do that now. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Today we'll be using a little bit of breath work and mantra and mudra in order to bring about these effects. And so for those of you who love mantra and who've been asking for it, this is definitely for you. All right, so let's begin now by tuning in. This is a process where we call ourselves into present moment. I bow to the teacher within. There's no one out here coming to save us. It actually is coming from here, the mindset, the heart space, and the decisions to move forward. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. This mantra, Ong, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call on my highest consciousness. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply, hold the breath, and exhale completely. Good. Relax your hands. Take a moment now and just shake everything out. Whatever you've been sitting with, whatever blockages have come up for you, take a moment now and just bring your nervous system into alignment. We're going to be doing this shaking another time in the meditation, but just to give you a little sneak preview of what it could look like. Good. Stretch all the way up, bring your hands into fists, and then softly relax them down. Now, this meditation uses a few different elements. And so I'm going to keep my hands up here. And once I show all of the elements to you, please relax your hands down, keep them on your knees just for comfort and for security and also for safety. So the mantra, Sa Ta Na Ma Ra Ma Da Sa Sa Se So Hung. Okay, so that's a sneak preview. The fingers represent universe, life, death, rebirth. That's the mantra, Satanama, coupled with a second mantra, Ra Ma Da Sa. And this is calling on the sun, the moon, the earth, and the infinite. Sa Se So Hung, personalizing all of those elements so that they come into our frame of existence so that we can operate from that much knowingness, that much vastness. So as we chant this meditation, we're going to be using our fingers, and with each part of the mantra, bringing our fingers to touch. And so relax your hands down now. I'll guide you through the first few rounds. Sa, as you touch the index fingers. Ta, on the middle. Na, ma. Ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Relax your hands down, close your eyes, look to your third eye point. You can slightly touch that part on your forehead to get an idea of where it is. Let's begin now. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Last round. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Inhale very deeply. Hold the breath. And exhale. Take a moment now to shake out all the energy in your body. Break up any habits of movement, habits of thought, and allow yourself to explore how energy is flowing in your body. So make sure your feet are moving, your hands are moving, your head is moving. Just about a minute here to allow the prana to flow. Come back to your breath. Notice that your hands and your body are very much tied to what we're thinking about. So the taller that you keep your posture, the more aligned your spine is with how you move, the better you feel. And so we're adding that component. Now come back to stillness. Bring one palm on over the other. Bring the thumbs to touch. So we're just sitting with a closed mudra here. Close your eyes, stare at the tip of your nose. We're here for just a few seconds. Allow whatever needs to come into your mind. Any solutions, any new frequencies, let it all come now. Inhale very deeply, hold the breath, squeeze root lock, squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center, and release. Press your palms together at the center of your chest, closing out this practice. And as we come to completion, remember that this time that you spend with yourself is so very precious. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for bringing yourself here to explore. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. We end with a long sat short nam. Sa nam. Bring your forehead to your fingertips or ground yourself with your forehead on the ground, closing off the energy of today's practice. Thank you so much. And if you're looking for more ways to connect, you can check the description box below, teacher training, numerology, and lots of study at home opportunities. Do that, get in touch. Lots of love to you. Until next time, bye for now.